Hi, and good day to you. My name's Dr. Simon Wade. I'm the webinar GP, and I'm bringing you information about the next CPD webinar for GPs and nurses. And this takes place on Tuesday, the 10th of February, and it's all about medico-legal pitfalls in general practice. Now, how stressful would it be for you if you received a letter implicating you in a medical negligence claim, or if you had a referral to the GMC? These are very stressful events, and the idea behind this CME online live and interactive training, this CPD webinar, is to help reduce the risk of you suffering that type of very, very stressful experience. So what am I talking about? Well, you know that as a busy GP, you see lots of patients, and there are very common situations and medical scenarios that can, if you're not careful, lead to a clinical negligence claim, or an appearance at a coroner's inquest, or a referral to the GMC. And this webinar seeks to outline some strategies to prevent and reduce the risk of this happening, and these will be discussed. So the learning outcomes for this CPD webinar for GPs are, firstly, to understand the far-reaching implications and consequences of a misdiagnosis or a complaint, and to identify common mistakes, those frequent mistakes that can result in medico-legal outcomes. And thirdly, we expect you to be able to identify some clear strategies, some clear plans on reducing the risk and preventing misdiagnoses. So those are the clear learnings for this really important CPD webinar for GPs and nurses. And this webinar, this web-based seminar, is the equivalent of a single CPD credit. Now, something about our speaker, Professor Ian Wall. He's FRCP, FRCGP, FFLLM, FACLM, MFMLM, DMJ, DO, Diploma in Occupational Medicine is the last one. Some of those qualifications, I'm not sure what they stand for. I know he's FRCP and FRCGP, and Ian has been a GP in the Kettering area in Northamptonshire, in the Kettering district, for 35 years, and over the past 15 years he's developed an interest in forensic and legal medicine. He's provided over 500 expert reports and regularly gives evidence in relation to clinical negligence claims. Coroner's inquests he frequently attends and is asked to give expert advice on, and also he regularly attends fitness to practice hearings at the GMC. And Ian has been a past president of the Faculty of Forensic and Legal Medicine of the Royal College of Physicians. Now, remember, when you register for this web-based seminar, this webinar, you'll be emailed a unique set of login details that are unique for you. And at the 5 or 10 minutes before the webinar is due to start, you click the link in the URL so that you can access the online virtual meeting room and take part in this CPD event. And remember, if you can't attend the live webinar, if work or life gets in the way, as long as you've registered, you'll receive an email within a couple of days, usually within 24 hours after the live session, with a link to access the recording, which you can enjoy at your leisure. So I hope that you'll attend this live and interactive CPD webinar for GPs and nurses on medico-legal pitfalls in general practice on Tuesday, the 10th of February, 8 p.m, usually for an hour. And I look forward to seeing you there. Have a look. You can register on this page. If you're on the registration page, the yellow button, that's how you access the webinar. Click that. And if you want an even better deal, if you want to access this webinar for what, £2.50, complete steal, you can go further down the page, look for the orange button, and you can sign up. If you're not already a subscriber, or if you don't work for IT24, who are our sponsoring organization, look down the page for the orange button. you can click that and register and pay £10 to access live weekly webinars for 30 days. So you get access to 4 webinars. So that would bring the cost down for this webinar to £2.50. I can't believe I'm doing this. It's completely crackers, but I've had my arm twisted, so we've got this offer. So have a look, read about webinars for GPs. There's more down there. I've been running these live and interactive web-based seminars for 2 years, since January 2013. People are calling me the webinar GP. I'm passionate about helping GP colleagues and nurses with helping a better work-life integration. You know, we have really busy work, increasingly squeezed pressures, more to do and less time, less resources. We've got to keep up with our CPD as well, and we have our family and home lives, and we often feel a tension, a real pull between these different aspects of our life. And my desire is to help you as a busy GP or a busy nurse practitioner. I want to help you with a better work-life integration. Do your CPD the smarter way. CPD from the comfort of your own home. How about that? So that's what webinars is all about. I hope you'll join us on Tuesday, the 10th of February, for Professor Ian Wall, Medico-legal Pitfalls in General Practice. Thanks so much for your time.